How to off night mode on iPhone. So if you turn on night mode on your iPhone, then this video is going to basically walk you through how you can easily turn this off. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The fastest approach you can use to turn off or disable night mode on your iPhone is via the control center. So if you have access to the night mode on controls on your iPhone, then you can still disable the night mode here. But if the night mode is not available in your control center, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. And now once you open the settings app, just scroll down the page a bit, scroll down until you get to display and brightness and click on that. Once you click on display and brightness, you want to scroll down the page, then you should see night shift. If night shift is enabled in your own case, let's say you have night shift enabled just like this, then to disable it, just come here and click on night shift. Then toggle all of this off to disable the night shift or night mode on your iPhone. And once that is done, you can now exit the page and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to off night mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.